So mad on his ass, I told him crash. Only G driving, you know that he ain't going shit but fast.
Shit but fast. Damn YouTube, it's your boy Phantom. Look, I got a special surprise for y'all today, you know what I'm saying? First of all, we had a Cars and Coffee, right? It's nice Sunday morning, you know what I'm saying? How y'all doing today, you know what I'm saying? Y'all looking radiant, I'm looking radiant, the sun kissing the nigga face and shit. The sun kissing the nigga face and shit, but look, I got another surprise for y'all, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Good. You see him here, so if he here, what y'all think that means? You wanna unveil that motherfucker? Yeah, stop playing. He like that. He got his shit back. Yeah, and that bitch is sitting on them things. Stop playing. And we came back to back today. You know what I'm saying? We out here for this car show. Finna show y'all some raw ass whoops. And then yeah, straight like that.
They clean my whole engine bay too. I could pop.
They clean your engine bay?
Yeah.
I need to do that shit. But look, first thing we see is a fucking Hellcat with a leg maker on it. Or is that a leg maker? That's not a leg maker. Let's say Questmaster. That bitch sick though. I ain't gonna care. That wide body, bro. I want a wide body Challenger, bro. That bitch. Ooh, this whole lineup sick as fuck. Yeah. You hating? You hate? Look at him hating. This bitch clean. I ain't gonna care. Got the whip saw. I wonder what do that Honda got a turbo on it, or is it just a piece of shit? Right there. Yeah. I ain't lying. I want me a Ricer so bad, just cause. Like, I get a Ricer like this, but I have a turbo on that bitch. Ain't this the one from like Fast and the Furious, the one they was stealing the fuel with? That bitch sick. I always wondered what it is, ever since I seen that shit. That bitch got a fat ass tire on the back.
Hey, alright. Turn me up.
Right here, I know you finna bust a nut right here.
Yeah, that bitch crazy.
Ooh, look at the rims.
With the white payment.
Man, I need to do some engine, something, so I can run out your life now. Oh my fault. R.I.P. Jackson. So sick. Alright, give me a BMW too. As y'all can see, man, they got buku whips out here, man. But look, I'm finna move my car into the main parking lot spot. Tahj guarding it for me like a real nigga should, you know what I'm saying? I'm finna move my shit over there, cause my shit showroom worthy. Stop playing. You know, I gotta show the force and love. God, that big big ass town. I don't know what the hell this is. That be called a Scorpion. I was trying to tell you don't cut it off yet. I want to hear something.
Well, I'm not finna real right here in front of all these people. It'd be the oddball, it'd be the only one if I'm real.
that bitch sound like?
Nigga, what you
It's a beautiful day in Baton Rouge today. I ain't gonna lie. That bitch coming through looking mean, boy. I'm gonna give me one of these bitches one day. Ooh, and he know he raw. And he know it's a GTS too. That bitch sick.
I'll be freaking the fuck out of that bitch.
Whoa, what's up, YouTube? Everybody pulling out this bitch. We finna slide too, so you know what I'm saying? If you made it this far in the video, like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for the support type shit. But yeah, we finna get up out of here. Y'all have a wonderful day. Phantom out.